In this video you will see how easy it is to create freely configurable indices within doc validation and how to mark desired areas for the intelligent extraction. Extracting an index from a document is a complicated process that usually involves the following operations: document classification or typing, defining keywords through complicated regular expressions to find the text you are looking for, and extraction of the searched indexes. The explained processing operations are very complicated and time-consuming, so that they are not considered as user-friendly for a normal user. With intelligent extraction, a user can simply mark the position of the index with a mouse click. Thereby reference points are then automatically calculated and read out based on the document classification. Any user can effortlessly approach the process of a data extraction, where the algorithm is already fully trained by the first document and is automatically applied to further documents. This can be used by anyone. We start by launching our application in Doc Server. Here we have previously loaded our workflow, which is to be applied to the documents. When everything has been started, the documents can be placed in the selected input directory. This is an example application. The documents can be imported or scanned depending on your needs. Since all documents have been processed, we open a browser of our choice. We then enter localhost :8080 in the search bar, whereupon doc validation opens as a web browser interface. Here we must first select the application we have started. We are now in the validation. Here, for example, we have zoom options with which we can zoom in or out. The special feature of doc validation is the freely configurable indices. We now switch from the validation to the field settings. Here we add all fields or indices that are required for our documents. We do this with the plus symbol. For our example, the indices invoice number, invoice date, customer number and total are important. The created fields can also be moved within the list if necessary. Likewise, we can remove fields that are not needed. The fields can also be associated with powerful regular expressions so that a more efficient extraction can take place. Once all the indices have been created, we press Apply and are now inside the validation with the newly created fields. We can now start assigning values to the fields. To do this, we simply click on the desired character string. We do this for each field and then press Next. As we can see, the values of the same document type have been taken over by the intelligent extraction. If we click on Next and have a new document type, we have to select all the associated values again. Again, the values of the indices are efficiently taken over without any problems. If we have a space in the characters, we hold down left-click and we can now select the desired area. The values for the same document type are also taken over here. We have seen how data can be intelligently extracted from documents. Another special function is the automatic generation of file names. This can be done according to individual specifications and can be set in the View option. Here we have various components at our disposal. For example, we can select a combination of the extraction date and the invoice number which will be extracted. In the preview below, we see that the file name consists of a contiguous number. To separate the components, the separator is dragged into the compilation. The components can also be individualized so that we can, for example, freely determine the separator character for the separator. If we look at the documents in the output folder, we can see that our settings for the file name generation have been successfully adopted. The extraction date can be seen here, followed by the separator and the extracted invoice number. If we want to reset all marked values and field types, we go to the menu Application and select the following option. Indices can then be defined again in the field settings. In this video you have seen how easy it is to extract data intelligently from documents with the help of doc validation. All this is offered in a user-friendly way within Doc Validation's web browser interface. The application can be applied not only to invoices, but can also be used for purchase orders, medical prescriptions, and many other document types. Through the powerful integrated OCR engine, character strings as well as associated structures can be efficiently extracted. Thank you for your interest and attention. Please feel free to contact us by email at the address sales@plustek.com or visit our website www.plustek.com.